Hey friends, welcome back. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a fabulous Friday. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're returning, I thank you guys so much and I appreciate all of your support. If you are new here, for Vlogmas, I have been reviewing one bag a day out of my collection. This is Vlogmas Day 20, so we are now up to our 20th bag. It's getting harder and harder for me to figure out what bag to go over because we only have a couple more days of Vlogmas. And I'm like, man, which one should I get into the rotation that would be good enough to discuss? So I don't know. There's bags that I look at, I'm like, yeah, you're not going to make the cut because there's just not enough days. So maybe into the new year, I'll do more bag reviews, like, 1 year update, 2 year update, etc., wear and tear videos, do some comparison videos. So yeah, I think that'll be my plan going into the new year. But I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. I am happy that it's Friday. I have a lot of stuff to do because I've been procrastinating all week. I'm traveling tomorrow, so I need to pack tonight. I have some gifts to wrap tonight that are going with me tomorrow. So I don't know. I have misused my time this week. I've just been really, really busy. So I haven't really dedicated a lot of personal time to myself because I've just been like super busy doing other things between work, mom, wife, etc. So yeah. But anywho, so in today's video, the bag I want to talk about was actually a limited edition. However, it's basically been recreated at this point, and we'll get into that further. But if you are interested on what that bag is for day 20, stick around. For full transparency, I always like to be like so honest with you guys. I have never wanted this particular bag. Like over the years, it was just never one that I wanted to add to my collection until it came out in empreinte leather. That was the first one I bought. And then this version came out and I was like, oh, I like that because it was different. I love different, guys. I love like traditional, but I love different. And I don't know, sometimes I'm kind of torn or pulled towards, those limited edition collections. But yeah. So anyways, the bag of today is the beautiful Neverfull MM, and this is in Damier Ebene print. So this particular bag, I actually bought when it came out. What made this bag limited edition was because normally the Neverfull just comes with these two top handles, and you normally, carry it over your shoulder, right? Well, when they released this version, it came with a braided strap and 2 D-rings on the side. Can you guys see those D-rings? So that's what made this bag limited edition. And it also came, if I'm not mistaken, in Damier Azure. It's like the same print, but the whitewash version. I just absolutely love the idea of this strap. Like, I just love the strap. So let's get into some details. So first off, I did get the bag hot stamped with my nickname, Meek, in the front. The back doesn't have any hot stamping, so the whole way around is just Damier Ebene. There's no feet at the bottom of the bag, and the interior is rose ballerine pink. Now I do use an organizer when I carry this bag, and the organizer is just from Amazon, like no particular brand, just an organizer I bought off of Amazon. Now the inside of the bag, and I'll be honest with you guys, I do use this a lot when I'm traveling. It's easy to just stuff. I usually stuff other purses in it as my carry-on, but sometimes I'll take it like when I'm out and about. If I'm going in the office on a off chance, I'll put like my laptop in here. So I do use it for other things, but a lot of times I use it while I'm traveling. The bag does have one interior zipper right here, and it is trimmed in this chocolate brown leather, and that pocket is pretty deep. Sorry guys, that pocket is pretty deep. You can fit quite a few things in there: wallet, passport, keys, you name it, it would fit. This particular bag was made in France, and it says where it's made right here on this little. Now on the inside, as with all Neverfulls, there's this little, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's this little it says Louis Vuitton and kind of like a box. I'll take a photo and put a better photo on the screen. But yeah, so I bought this when I saw it was coming out. I was like, yeah, I think I want that one. And I've been happy with this purchase. Now, when I'm traveling, I do attach the strap. Actually, when I'm not traveling, I attach it as well. But when I'm traveling, I do attach to the strap. And most of the time, if I'm traveling, I carry it over the shoulder. Now, some people thought that look was just stupid, right? But I personally like it. It's very functional. Oh, sorry guys, I'm hitting the camera. It's very functional, you know, for me when I'm traveling or, you know, something like that. So I love the idea of this strap, and it's pink. I'm such a pink girl, so I loved everything about this bag, right? Now, with the Neverfull, of course, it did come with a little pochette with it. And the pochette has like a little leather strap right here, so you can make it a wristlet. Let me move this bag, sorry guys. On the inside of the pochette, it does have one slip pocket. And I carry this alone as well. Like, I'll take it to basketball games, date night. Like, I carry this by itself as well. Grocery store. But when I'm carrying the bag, funny enough, I usually don't carry this because I usually have a reason for carrying the bag and this is not needed. So that's kind of odd, I know. But yeah, so that is my bag of the day. The beautiful Damier Ebene Neverfull MM with the braided strap. Now, as I told you guys, this bag was a limited edition. However, Louis Vuitton has released another somewhat similar version of this bag, and it's called the Inside Out bag. So basically, the bag is the same on the outside. However, they've added D-rings right here and attached the strap. And they basically have said you could turn the bag inside out, which you can do with any Neverfull. Like, this bag can be turned inside out so that the cloth or textile lining shows on the outside of the bag. That inside out Neverfull, I thought some of the colorways were pretty, and I'll insert a photo, but it was definitely not something I needed to add to my collection, considering I have this bag with the braided strap. But I mean, some people, based on, you know, different videos I've watched, some love it, some returned it. They just, after getting it, they just weren't as happy with it. But I think it's a cool concept as far as adding the strap. Depending on your lifestyle, it could be very beneficial. So just to put it in perspective, I swapped the bag. I turned it inside out, and this is basically how it would look. Now, would I ever carry it this way? Me? No, I wouldn't, because the pink ballerine interior is just so light. It would get so very dirty. But the colorway that the inside outs come in, I think you could probably get away with it. But yeah. So that is bag 20 for Vlogmas day 20. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably be at the airport when I record. I'm trying to think of a good time that I can kind of get a video in. So yeah, I'll probably record at the airport tomorrow. And then Sunday, still trying to figure that part out. But anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Until tomorrow, be safe.